Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm changing direction from my usual pathology content to share some essential tips on how to excel in vet school. These are not just standard tips, they are strategies that have personally led me to success. So I've got 8 tips to share with you. Number 1, prioritize sleep. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, it's crucial. No matter how busy you get, make sure you prioritize getting enough sleep. It's essential for your brain's health and performance. Number 2, stay active. Exercise is not just about hitting the gym, as some people think it is. Simple activities like walking or jogging can keep your mind sharp and your energy levels up. The third tip is very important. Eat well. I get it. Vet school is demanding, but don't compromise on nutrition. Nah. Fuel your body and brain with wholesome foods and plenty of water. Good food equal to good brain power. Number 4, start early. Procrastination is your enemy. I repeat, procrastination is your enemy. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Number 5, know your learning style. What works for others might not work for you, obviously. Experiment with different study methods. There are several of them, so just keep experimenting until you find what suits you best. Number 6, study solo or in groups. Whether you thrive in solitude or prefer group study sections, do what works for you. Just do you, do what works for you. The goal is for you to understand and retain the material. Personally, I prefer to study alone. Study groups don't help at all for me. Number 7, take notes. Vet courses can be overwhelming, like very overwhelming. So jotting down key points while studying can be a lifesaver. Summarize complex topics to help you understand better. The last tip, number 8, utilize memory aids. Flashcards and mnemonics are essential tools for memorizing complex medical terms. There are so many apps that you can explore, so many flashcard apps that you can use to help you remember things. Don't just hesitate to explore the apps, and you can also create your own mnemonics. Yeah, they help you remember easy. Additionally, don't hesitate to supplement your learning with external resources like textbooks, YouTube videos, or library research. Sometimes alternative explanations can make all the difference in understanding challenging concepts. And finally, remember to take breaks. Indulge in activities you enjoy. Burnout is real, so give yourself permission to unwind and recharge. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have more helpful tips, please drop them in the comment section below. I wish you all the best. Bye.